My name is Frankie Jordan. I'm a house manager for Regenesis. I'm a recovering alcoholic and an addict. And what I do now today, I run a house for men who are seeking the word of God and who are trying to get themselves together, trying to change their life to something different, trying to do something different in their life through the word of God. Right now I have 10 men who coming off addiction and trying to change their life.
And my name's Jason Sweezy, and that was amazing. My job is to just support Jordan and the women's home and just love on the guys. Regenesis is an amazing program. Like Mr. Jordan said, we take people in with life-controlling issues like drugs and alcohol. And, we just love this community. We love to serve the community, and we just invite you guys to check us out on the web. Come by the thrift stores, check us out there. Give us a call if you're interested in helping us in any way. And if you know anybody that's struggling with drugs and alcohol, call us. We know the answer. We have the answer. Thank you.